There's nothing in this world I like more than the sound of the Trumpet of the Swan.
Based on the book by E.B. White, the author of Stuart Little, and from the co-director of The Fox and the Hound and The King and I, comes an all-new animated classic.
A son?
They named him Louis.
After my father, Louis. And his father, Louis. My son is destined to be the greatest of all the trumpeters.
There was just one problem.
He can't talk.
If you can't talk, you can't play.
This child cannot be ours. Someone must have switched the eggs.
But for every challenge,
I must find my son a voice.
there is a solution.
May the hills echo with your new voice.
And now, a swan named Louis is about to become a star.
Put your hands together for Louis, the Trumpeter Swan.
You did it, Louis!
Go, Louis!
Tristar Pictures invites you to share all the fun and join Jason Alexander, Reese Witherspoon, Mary Steenburgen, Seth Green, with Carol Burnett and Joe Mantegna, and with music performed by Little Richard. In a classic animated adventure for the whole family. About the special voice inside all of us.
That is dying to come out.
Based on the book by E.B. White, the author of Stuart Little, it's one of the most beloved stories of all time. Trumpet of the Swan.
Get that on the internet.
Dragon Tales. Buy it now on video.
Here I come!
Bring home your child's favorite characters from
Dragonland! I wish with all my heart to fly with dragons in a land apart.
fun, magical adventures filled with music and wonder.
Whee! Woohoo!
Buy them now on video or DVD.
Mom! Mom! You don't always have to look alike
Are you all nuts? He's a mouse!
to feel like family.
It's not just a mouse, he's family.
Stuart Little on video and DVD.
Madeline, buy it now on video. The heartwarming classic you love
Wait! Wait!
has come home to delight the entire family. Madeline, rated PG. Buy it now on video, cassette, and DVD.
They have a new attitude. Cool. A new look. Meet a new breed of Muppets.
I'm an alien!
Muppets From Space.
No nostrils. How do you smell?
Awful. Trust me, I'm his roommate.
Rated G.
Something smells good on video.
Oh, hi.
He's very friendly.
You're just in time. It's so good to see you. Come on in.
He's very talented.
I sure do love to cha-cha-cha.
He's Bear in the Big Blue House. Join Bear and his friends Pip and Pop, Ojo, Tunner, Trilo, and Luna.
I'm the moon.
And make learning a treat. From Jim Henson Television, Bear in the Big Blue House. He's what's fun on video.
Hop on board for reading fun with Thomas and Friends. From early readers to classic stories, kids are always on the right track to reading and learning with Thomas books for every age. Look for these and other best-selling titles wherever books are sold and take off on a fun-filled reading adventure with Thomas.